Exams are just 7 days away and you're feeling unprepared? Don't panic. You don't need to study for 12 hours a day, you don't need an aesthetic study setup, and you definitely don't need to sacrifice your sleep. In this video, you'll learn a realistic 7-day study plan that can help you prepare effectively without burning out.
Wow!
If you're a student looking for practical study tips that actually work, you're in the right place. Make sure to subscribe for more content on studying, productivity, and student life. Now let's break down exactly what to do during the 7 days before an exam. Day 1. Organize and plan. The first day is all about getting organized. Gather your lecture notes, textbooks, slides, handouts, and past questions. Then divide your topics into 3 categories. Topics you understand well, topics you partially understand, topics you struggle with. This helps you focus your time where it's needed most, instead of studying everything equally. Days 2 and 3. Understand the content. The next 2 days should focus on learning and understanding. Study in focused sessions and take short breaks in between. Rather than memorizing immediately, aim to understand the concepts first. A simple trick is to explain a topic out loud as if you're teaching someone else. If you can explain it clearly, chances are you've understood it. Also, avoid studying only one subject for the entire day. Switching between subjects can help maintain focus and reduce boredom. Days 4 and 5. Test yourself. This is where serious exam preparation begins. Instead of rereading notes, start testing yourself. Use past questions, flashcards, practice quizzes, self-made questions. Try recalling information from memory before checking your notes. This method, known as active recall, is one of the most effective ways to improve retention. Day 6. Practice under exam conditions. By day 6, it's time to simulate the real exam. Set a timer and answer questions without using your notes. This helps you manage your time, identify weak areas, build confidence, treat it like the actual exam and take it seriously. Day 7. Review and rest. The final day should be calm and focused. Review key concepts, formulas, definitions, and summary notes. Avoid trying to learn entirely new topics at the last minute. Most importantly, get enough sleep. A well-rested brain performs much better than an exhausted one.
Wow!
Bonus exam success tips. Before the exam, stay hydrated. Reduce distractions while studying. Take short breaks when needed. Avoid comparing your preparation to others. Focus on progress, not perfection. Remember, consistency beats cramming every time. And that's a simple and realistic way to prepare for exams in just 7 days. Which day of your exam preparation do you usually struggle with the most? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more study and productivity content. Good luck with your exams, and thanks for watching.